Welcome. If you've noticed that emojis on your Telegram desktop app look a bit small and you want them to stand out more, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show how to enable large emojis on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any issues. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize how your Telegram app looks and behaves. Inside the Settings menu, look for an option called Chat Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This section controls how your chats appear, including text size, themes, and emoji display. Now scroll down a bit until you find the option labeled Large Emoji. Once you see it, simply toggle it on. And that's it. From now on, whenever you send a single emoji in a chat, it will appear much larger and more expressive.